Hi everyone! Welcome back to my drawing time. Today we are drawing a super cute Christmas cake roll. Sweet, cozy, and full of holiday vibes. Let us start right now. First, I draw the little berries on top. Small, round, and bouncy. How many berries do you see? 1, 2, maybe more. They already look tasty. Next, I draw the leaves around the berries, nice and pointy. They make the cake feel very Christmassy. Do you like big leaves or small leaves? Now I draw the chocolate topping on top of the cake roll. It is dripping slowly. Chocolate always makes everything better. Do you agree? After that, I draw the spiral inside the cake roll, round and smooth. This is the best part. Take your time here and enjoy the swirl. Now, let us draw 2 small star cookies at the bottom. 1 star here, 1 star there. They look like little friends sitting together. The line drawing is done. Great job for staying with me. Now it is time to add colors. First, I color the berries red, bright and shiny. They really pop now. Then I color the cake part with a soft light orange cream color, warm and sweet, like a real cake fresh from the oven. Now I color the chocolate cream on top brown, rich and delicious. Try not to feel hungry. For the 2 stars below, one is yellow, one is green. Which one is your favorite? Finally, I add cute little dots on the stars and on the cake. Small details make everything more fun. Look how adorable it becomes. And we're done! If you enjoyed drawing with me, give this video some love and tell me what dessert we should draw next. See you in